Hello, welcome to Pallet Provisions. I am Pakistani Leatherman and I'm here at Halal Food Truck in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is the first ever episode, so I am it's fitting. It's fitting that I'm in a gas station parking lot eating some of the best halal food that I've ever had in Charlotte with a guy that I met in an Uber 3 days ago who owns the food truck and has dreams to turn this into a brick and mortar. Once I met him, learned his story a little bit, I realized that I had to come down, had to check it out. So here I am. And I can think of no better thing that I'd rather do on a Tuesday. So let's get going.
Hey, my name is Umer. This is Tasty Halal Food Truck Charlotte.
You probably have a lot of questions, but I know the most glaring is, Paxton, why are you sweating so much in that first clip? And that's because although Umer knows many languages, the one language that he knows the best is actually the language of spice. And you see, I'm not fluent in that. When I hopped up into the truck, I was immediately greeted by Umer. And he immediately greeted me with a plate of chicken biryani. I'm not gonna turn down free food, but I was on the job, so I thought, I'm strong enough to say no to this and I can eat it after. Unfortunately and expectedly, it ended exactly how you would think it would. In my defense, every single one of Umer's dishes is from a family recipe back in Pakistan. So if I didn't eat it right away, I felt like that would be rude or even disingenuous. Once I get back into the truck, I immediately see this scene that looks like a one-man theater performance. Umer, who was originally this kind of quiet, soft-spoken guy, is all over the place. He's sauteing marinated chicken here, he's scooping out rice here, he's talking to me through the entire process the entire time. There's chicken and lamb here, he's rolling a gyro, he's taking orders. He was all over the place. And he did the entire thing without raising his blood pressure at all. And he's doing all of this, all by himself, in a food truck that is right next to a gas station. And I mean right next to a gas station. And he's charging like $10 a plate. And so now I'm absolutely hooked. If this is just what one single food truck in Charlotte has in terms of a story and background and everything like that, I can only imagine how many there are across the United States, how many are there across the world, and I need to see them all.